The Smartling Figma plugin offers an instant translation option that allows you to quickly generate translations without creating a translation job or waiting for content to move through traditional workflows. Let's check it out. Here we are in Figma, and we have some content that's ready for translation. Simply right-click and open your plugins to access the Smartling Figma connector. Press Submit Translation to start the process. A dialog will open up for the connector. Select all the content that's ready for translation and press Next. Now here's where things differ. Instead of choosing to push this content through a job, you can now select Instant Translation as an option. Choose your target languages and submit. This approach is ideal when MT or LLM-generated translations without human review are sufficient. However, this option is less suitable for highly creative or high-visibility content, as there is no human editing or review. Now, close the dialog and you'll see your new language versions directly in Figma ready for your review. Ready to take your business to the next level? Visit us at smartling.com to learn more.